My fellow citizens, over the past week, authorities have been warning the public about the path and destructive capability of Cyclone Evan. Cyclone Evan is expected to arrive on our doorsteps Sunday evening through early Monday morning. This is not an ordinary cyclone. After hitting Samoa, it is heading directly for Fiji. It has winds up to 180 km per hour, which may intensify, and if the weather forecasters are correct, it will affect Fiji in a very damaging way, bringing about destructive winds and flooding. It will bear down on Taveuni and Vunulevu, working its way down to Vitilevu and through the Lomaiviti group. The weather forecasters predict that none of Fiji will be spared. This is the festive season, where people are preparing to visit family and friends, and because of that, we tend to take lightly these warnings. But I urge each and every one of you not to take lightly the warnings given by authorities. I urge you all to secure your properties and stock up on emergency and essential items. Every Fijian must be prepared and not be complacent. You must restrict your movements and refrain from unnecessary travel. This includes traveling out to sea. Parents, please make sure your children are safe and at home with you. Because this is the festive season, I ask you to consider cancelling social events and to act responsibly. All of us need a clear mind and for what is bearing down on us. Alcohol and Ngona drinking will not help the situation. Your family responsibilities must come first. I also request that we all help our neighbors, the elderly and the disabled, in preparing for this cyclone. Fellow Fijians, I cannot stress enough how serious this is. Every Fijian will be affected, but we must take preventive steps now. Most importantly, I call on each of you to remain calm and to be prepared. Vinang Volevu.